Hi everyone, welcome today on uh, Saturday February the 13th 2021. We have here in this newspaper, well, the newspaper was incomplete, so I need to print online the puzzle, especially the regular Sudokus with the Sudoku Medium and a Sudoku Quintuplet. Yes, this is a quintuplet. But in this newspaper, there's also an additional with 8 extra Sudokus. Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, one tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and 2 binaries. But the regular Sudoku, yes, the newspaper was not delivered complete. It's an incomplete newspaper, so I'm disappointed in the news publisher. So I need to download the puzzle, especially the Sudoku Medium. And this Sudoku Medium will be a number 232320. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, let me count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, plus 4, 15, 17, plus 3 is 20, 26. 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars, in additional, this will be a 2 stars Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4. No 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers 3 and 2, we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 2 goes there. Alright. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes. Here 4, no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 4. Yeah, I need to wait. 3, 2. How about 6? Yeah, the 9 in this row. The 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so in the column next. The only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column, so the third column. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row, so in the row between the second row. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in that column, so the column between. The only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. So the 3 could be in one of these 3 boxes. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in one of those 3 boxes in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below, the second row. So the third row, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. Then 9, 4, 6, 5. Let me think. 9, 3, 8. 8 should be there. Alright. We have an 8 in this column. 8 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Three missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, a 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 6, 3, 1, 6, 9. Alright. 2, 2. How about the number 7, 3, 6. I need pairs. 8, 8, 8. 8, 8. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. 6, 8. What number is this? These 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I need a 6. Alright, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. There's 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 5, 8, 8. We have a pair in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 8. We have a 1 and an 8 in this column, so no 1 and an 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 and an 8 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, so what are the other 3 numbers? The 4 is missing. We see here 4 in those 2 boxes, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 5 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 2, yes. Alright. 6, 6. 8, 3, 1, 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So the last row, only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Oh, there we see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Oh, there we see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So the first row, only place for the 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 6, alright. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 and a 5 in this column, so no 1 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means the other 2 numbers, other pair, should be the 3 and the 8. 3 and the 8, we see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this second column for the number 2. No, 2 we have here. This should be the 7. 7 is missing, yes. 2 missing numbers in the first column for the numbers 3 and 8. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 numbers. Alright. How about those 2 numbers? 1, 2, 3. Also the 5 and the 7. 5 and the 7 cannot fill this yet. 5, 7, and the 2. Alright. Now we have a 7 there, so this can't be 7 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 7. 1 box left in this row, the second row for the number 1. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. 1 and 8 are left in this. Wait. We have an 8 here, so this can't be 8 anymore. This should be a 1. In this big square, 1 digit left should be the 8. 1 digit left in this row for the number 7 is missing, yes. 1 digit left. I have marked those 2 boxes with the 1. I've eliminated the 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1 digit left in this big square for the number 5. Alright. So what are those 3 missing numbers? 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, 4, and the 5 is missing. 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. That means 1 digit left in this big square. 2, 3, 5. This should be a 7. Alright, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this row. The 1 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 2 is missing. And look, we have a 1 here, so no 1 there. Here also a 1, so no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. The 2 and the 5 are left. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the number 7 and 4. No. 7 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there, and the 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 2 and 1, 2 and 1, we have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Then, 1 number left in this column for the number 5. 1 number left in this column for the number 3. 2 numbers left in this row for the number 7 and 2. 7 and 2. 7 and 2. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 7 and 2. How about those 2 numbers in this column? 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. And the 8 is missing. We see there an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row, the 7 and the 4. 7 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And now the last 2 numbers, the 2, last row, the 2 and the 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. And the final number of this big square for the number 2. Yes, finish in 16 minutes. All right, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe, and hit that bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. If you like quintuplets, you can see the link below. See you soon with the additional extra Sudokus. Yes. Bye-bye for now.